This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Open WPS presentation and choose a template or blank slide. Don't stall on perfect themes. Import your logo and key images immediately so layout decisions are grounded. Set slide size to 16:9 or 4:3, depending on display. This avoids reflow later. Create a title slide and a master slide for consistent header, footer, and font styles. Once done, save a versioned file name so you can revert. Make sure autosave is enabled. Now focus on constructing content. Populate slide masters with your brand fonts, colors, and logo so every new slide inherits consistency. Add text using clear heading and body hierarchy, and insert charts by importing data or copying from spreadsheets to keep numbers exact. Place images using crop and position tools. Add alternative text for accessibility. Group related objects, align with the grid, and apply simple animations for emphasis, but keep transitions subtle so the audience stays on message. Finish by rehearsing in slide show mode to verify timings, hyperlinks, and any embedded video or audio. Test playback on the actual projector or laptop you'll use. Export both PPTX and PDF. PPTX for editing, PDF for stable distribution. Save a backup copy and a compressed media version if file size is large. If a slide breaks or media fails, reapply the master slide to reset formatting and relink, or reinsert the media file. That usually resolves missing assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.